Please welcome Christian Klemetsson.
Thank you very much. And yes. Okay, so I'm Christian. I'm going to talk about my startup DeviceRadio. And we are 6 people sitting down in Malmö in the Eon Agile Accelerator. And we are building the most user-friendly professional Internet of Things platform. And we basically want to enable more people and more companies to start building connected devices to make it more, easier and to have them get started. And if you're into electronics, you may have seen us in Elektroniktidningen. One part of this platform we're building is a new programming language, because we want to have it user-friendly, and C is not very user-friendly, so we tossed that out and started with our own. So let's get into some code and look at what we're doing. So this is like the hello world in programming, like in hardware programming, a blinking LED. So in our programming language, that is event-driven. We only need to configure an I/O pin and then have a task that runs every 500 milliseconds to invert the LED, and it blinks. And this is very easy to do in all other platforms. But if you want to do something more complicated, to blink like 2 LEDs at different speeds, the benefit in having a multitasking event-driven programming language is that you can just copy-paste the same code. And now you have 2 LEDs that blink if you change the pins and stuff. But this isn't so fun. We need to do something more fun, and something with radio, because we are DeviceRadio. So let's say you have like motorized office desks, and you want to control them over the internet, because why not? So you hack them and put in some relays so you can control them. Then this is the code you need with our platform to make it possible to control it through our cloud API. So we just configure 2 pins to control the relays that we have hacked in there. Declare some variables to receive signals from the cloud, and then tell the radio to receive those values into the variables, and then 2 tasks to run the motor up and down. And that is all you need to control your motorized desk from wherever you are. And this is actually part of something that we are building in our office. I was hoping to have this working by today, but we are actually building a possibility for you to try out this programming language, because it's web-based, the development environment, so you will be able to try it out in your browser. And we have actually hooked up our motorized desks to some of our modules. So you can rewrite the code and mess with what we're doing, and you will be able to see it in a live stream, what you're up to. It felt like a good idea when we started with it, but hopefully we will add more stuff as the weeks go on, and maybe change some things. And you will also be able to ask us questions when you're trying it out in a chat with us, connected to our Slack, so you can and you can see if we're there and not answering, then you can mess a bit more. Platform, we are doing a Kickstarter after the summer, so you can get hold of platform so that you can try it out. And if you want to know more about this, or want to sign up for more information about this when the Kickstarter comes up and stuff, you can come talk to me. We have some hardware downstairs that you can poke at if you want to. It doesn't work right now because we broke it during the weekend, but you can look at it at least. I will be here also in Stockholm before I go back to Malmö all day tomorrow. So if you want to discuss something more, or maybe over a coffee or something, I'm available tomorrow. And thank you very much for this event. It's been very, very interesting.
Very nice. Thanks, Christian.